careful. This is very sharp. Ow! And this little spatula is great if you want to get all of it.
We're gonna put all of it in.
Yes. Show how good that baby scrapes the sides. Oh, yeah. Check it out. Ooh, gets it all. This tool is excellent for mixing it all together. I'll let you do the work. Do the honors. Gotta go kind of slow at first. Get your rhythm so it doesn't fly all over the place. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Look at that mix in. Go girl. Oh, you have to push pretty hard.
Wow, look at the master at work. Perfect. Precise and beautiful. This is how you make enchilada casserole.
Big.
Yay! We're using Chosen Foods food spray. Ready?
See, it's like a little bit much. Go. Good, holding it hard there. Good job. Use those muscles. Okay, good job. This is what I'm talking about. Now show me what's happening under there. Whoa! Magic! Garlic. Lots of garlic. Garlic. You can't go wrong with garlic. Chili powder. Salt brings flavor to the world. You cannot do without salt. But don't overdo it. Tahini, just a little zing of sour. Lime. Deliciousness. Alright. Okay, we're good. Adding some sausage, leftover sausage, because I think that would be delicious. You ready to add the sausage?
Yeah, since I know you guys love watching me pour sausage in, I just had to.
Okay, so put about half the meat in there.
All right.
Go girl. Yes, spread it beautifully. Oh, good. Yes. You got this.
Try not to spill it everywhere like I did. Try to spread it nicely, like I didn't do.
Okay, and half the sauce now.
Look at that gorgeous, gorgeous sauce. Now for the cheese.
The best part.
Everyone's favorite.
Especially ours.
Yeah.
Cheese makes life better.
Look at that.
Whoa.
And your favorite tortillas.
More tortillas.
Try not to clump it up.
Another layer.
And now we redo all the steps for the second layer, because you can't go wrong with cheese.
Got the last layer. And then after I spread the sauce a little bit here and there, then we're gonna go ahead and add the cheese. Oh, the cheese. Cheese.
So, you get some cheese, and oh, look at that! Cheese! How is it?